Hello friends, welcome by Meena, Assistant Professor English from Government College Jamila झालावाड़। आपका हमारे YouTube चैनल में हार्दिक अभिनंदन है। आज पढ़ेंगे अपन BA सेकेंड ईयर का दी म्यूर ऑफ कास्टब्रिज, जो कि थॉमस आर्डी का नॉवल है। देखिए, दी म्यूर ऑफ कास्टब्रिज, द लाइफ एंड डेथ ऑफ ए मैन ऑफ कैरेक्टर is an 1886 novel by the English author Thomas Hardy. One of Hardy's basic novels, it is set in a fictional rural England with Casterbridge, standing in for Dorchester in Dorset, where the author spent his youth. It was first published as a weekly serialization from January 1886. देखिए, दी म्यूर ऑफ कास्टब्रिज, द लाइफ एंड डेथ ऑफ ए मैन ऑफ कैरेक्टर इज एन 1886 नॉवल बाय द इंग्लिश ऑथर थॉमस हार्डी. वन ऑफ हार्डीज बेसिक नॉवेल्स, इट इज सेट इन ए फिक्शनल रूरल इंग्लैंड विथ कैस्टरब्रिज, स्टैंडिंग इन फॉर डॉर्चेस्टर एंड डॉर्सेट, वेयर द ऑथर स्पेंट हिज यूथ. इट वाज फर्स्ट पब्लिश्ड एज ए वीकली सीरियलाइजेशन फ्रॉम जनवरी 1886. ठीक है. The novel is considered to be one of Hardy's masterpieces, although it has been criticized for incorporating too many incidents, a consequence of the author trying to include something in a very weakly published installment. देखिए, दी नॉवल इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी वन ऑफ हार्डीज मास्टरपीसेज, although it has been criticized for incorporating too many incidents, a consequence of the author trying to include something in a very weakly published installment. ठीक है. देखिए, ये इस नावल के बारे में मतलब थोड़ा संक्षेप में जान लीजिए. At a country fair near Casterbridge in Wessex, Michael Henchard, a 21-year-old hairdresser, argues with his wife Susan, drunk on rum-laced firmity he accuses her of, although with their baby daughter Elizabeth Jane, to Richard Newson, a passing sailor, for 5 guineas. देखिए, इसकी स्टोरी देखिए. एट ए कंट्री फेयर नियर कास्टरब्रिज इन वेसेक्स, माइकल हैंचार्ड, ए 21-year-old hairdresser, argues with his wife Susan. Drunk on rum-laced firmity, he accuses her of, along with their baby daughter Elizabeth Jane, to Richard Newson, a passing sailor, for 5 guineas. Sober and remorseful the next day, he is too late to locate his family. He was not to touch liquor again for 21 years. देखिए, आगे नेक्स्ट स्टोरी देखिए नॉवल की. Believing the auction to be legally blinding, Susan lives as Newson's wife for 18 years. After Newson is lost at sea, Susan, lacking any means of support, decides to seek out Henchard again. Taking her daughter with her, Susan has told Elizabeth Jane little about Henchard, and the young woman knows only that he is a relation by marriage. Susan discovers that Henchard has become a very successful and grain merchant and mayor of Casterbridge. Known for his staunch sobriety, he has avoided explaining how he lost his wife, allowing people to assume he is a widower. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट स्टोरी देखिए नेक्स्ट स्टोरी देखिए. When the couple are reunited, Henchard proposes remarrying Susan after a same courtship. This is viewed being the simplest and most discreet way to remedy matters and to prevent Elizabeth Jane learning of their disgrace. Due to this, however, he is forced to break off an engagement with a woman named Lucetta Templeman, who had nursed him when he was ill. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. डोनाल्ड फारफे, a young and energetic Scotsman passing through Custerville, helps Henchard by showing him how to salvage substandard grain he has brought. Henchard takes a liking to the man, persuades him not to emigrate. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट स्टोरी. एंड हायर्स हिम एज कॉर्न फैक्टर, rudely turning away a man named Zug to whom he had already offered the job. Farfay is extremely successful in the role and increasingly outshines his employer when he catches the eye of Elizabeth Jane. Henchard discovered Henchard dismisses him and Farfay sets himself up as an independent merchant. Farfay conducts himself with scrupulous honesty, but Henchard is so determined to ruin his revival, and he makes risky business decisions that prove disastrous. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट देखिए. Susan falls ill and dies shortly after the couple's remarriage, leaving Henchard a letter to be reopened on the day of Elizabeth Jane's wedding. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. Henchard reads the letter, which is not properly sealed, and learns that Elizabeth Jane is not in fact his daughter, but new son his Elizabeth Jane, having died as an infant. ठीक है. Henchard's new knowledge caused him to behave coldly towards the second Elizabeth Jane. Elizabeth Jane accepted a position as a companion to Lucetta, a newcomer, unaware that she had a relationship with Henchard, which resulted in her social ruin. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. Now wealthy after receiving an inheritance from her aunt and learning that Henchard's wife had died, Lucetta has come to Custerville to marry him. However, on meeting Farfay, she becomes attracted to him and he had to her. और देखिए नेक्स्ट. Henchard financial difficulty persuade him that she should marry Lucetta quickly, but she is in love with Farfay, and they run away one weekend to get married, not telling Henchard until after the fact. Henchard's credit collapses and he goes bankrupt. Farfay buys Henchard's all business and tries to help Henchard by employing him. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट. देखिए. Lucetta asks Henchard to return her old love letters, and Henchard asks Job to take them to her. Job, who still bears a grudge for having been cheated out of the position of factor, opens the letter and reads them out loud and some of the townspeople publicly shame Henchard and Lucetta, creating effigies of them in a Nosata is so devastated by the spectacle that she collapses as a miscarriage and die. ठीक है, अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। The next day new son who it transpires was not lost at Shah arrives at Henchard's doors asking about his daughter. Henchard, who has come to value her kindness to him, is afraid of losing her companionship and tells Newson she is dead. Newson lives in sorrow. After 21 years, Henchard, bow of obstinance expired and he starts drinking again. ठीक है, देखिए नेक्स्ट। Eventually discovering that he has been ill too, Newson returns and Henchard disappears rather than endures a confrontation on the day of Elizabeth Jane's wedding to Fairfax. He comes back timidly seeking a reconciliation. She refuses him and he departs for good. Later, regretting her coldness, she and Fairfax set out to find him. अब देखिए नेक्स्ट। और अब देखिए इसके मेन कैरेक्टर देखिए। माइकल हेंचार्ड है इसमें। हे ट्रूजर हु बिकम न्यूरो कास्टरब्रिज। सुसान हेंचार्ड न्यूसन है, वाइफ ऑफ हेंचार्ड, मतलब सोल्ड टू न्यूसन। ठीक है, तीसरा कैरेक्टर है रिचार्ड न्यूसन है, सेलर, परचेज सुसान एंड लिव्स विथ हर फॉर मेनी ईयर्स एज हर डिफेक्टो हजबैंड। Elizabeth Jane, a daughter of Susan by Henchard, dies as an infant. Elizabeth Jane, daughter of Susan by Newson, marries Alfred. Donald Dolphy becomes Muro Casterbridge after Henchard, Scotsman. Lusata, a Templeman, de Surrey, native of Jersey, who has an affair with Henchard, marries Farquhar. जोशुआ है, जॉब है, समटाइम्स मैनेजर विथ ग्रोथ। ठीक है, अब ये आपका संक्षेप में आपने पढ़ लिया है। आपको इसे और विस्तार से याद करके आना है। ठीक है, लर्न करना पूरी तरह से।